Namaste to all of you. Program BVM, Subject Principles of Management, Chapter Planning, Topic Type of Decision Making, Part 2, presented by B. Suresh. In the previous episode, we discussed about the types of decision making in general. In another classification, the types of decisions are different. Those will be discussed in this episode. The types of decision making are as follows: programmed and non-programmed decisions, routine and strategic decisions, tactical or policy and operational decisions, organizational and personal decisions, major and minor decisions, individual and group decisions. These are the different types of decision making. Programmed and non-programmed decisions. Programmed decisions are concerned with the problems of repetitive in nature or routine type matters. The decisions which are relating to the repetitive nature and routine type of matters will be called as a programmed decisions. To take these decisions, a standard procedure is followed. A standard procedure is set and that will be followed for taking these decisions. And programmed decisions are taken by the lower level managers. Examples of programmed decisions are purchase of raw materials, granting leave to an employee, supply of goods and implements to the employees. So these are some of the examples of programmed decisions. Non-programmed decisions are the decisions which relate to different situations for which there is no easy solution. Non-programmed decisions relate to different situations. So they are not repetitive, they are related to different situations. There will be no easy solution. These matters are very important to the organization. Non-programmed decisions. Opening of a new branch of the organization, absent of large number of employees from the organization, introducing of a new product. So these are all called the non-programmed decisions. Another types of decisions are routine and strategic decisions. Routine decisions are related to the general functioning of the organization. They do not require much evaluation and analysis and can be taken quickly. Routine decisions are related to general functioning of the organization. To take these decisions, no evaluation can be taken or no analysis can be made. To take these decisions, sufficient powers are delegated to the lower level managers within the broad policy of the organization. A policy is set. According to that, the lower level managers has to take the decisions. Strategic decisions are important, which affect objectives, organizational goals and other important policy matters. Strategic decisions are decisions which will be affecting the objectives of the organization, goals of the organization and policies. And these decisions will be requiring the huge amount of funds and these are non-repetitive. So they will not be repetitive. They need to be taken by careful analysis and evaluation of the many alternatives. While taking the strategic decisions, evaluation needs to be taken, analysis needs to be taken, and strategic decisions are taken by the higher level management. The third classification is tactical or policy and operational decisions. Decisions pertaining to various policy matters of the organization are called as a policy decisions or the tactical decisions. Regarding the policy matters of the organization, how the organization has to be functioned and what needs to be taken care, how the programs needs to be implemented. So all these will be called as a policy matters. So decisions relating to these will be called as a policy decisions, and policy decisions are taken by the top level management, and these will be having a long term impact on the organization. Examples of policy decisions are location of plant, volume of production, channels of distribution policies are called as a policy decisions. So where the plant should be located and where the goods should be distributed and how the goods should be distributed, that is the choice of channels of distribution, and how much needs to be produced, so volume of production. So all these will be called as a tactical or policy decisions. Operating decisions related to the day-to-day functioning of the organization. These decisions will be taken by the middle level management. Examples may be, suppose decisions concerning the payment of bonus to employee is a policy matter, whereas deciding how much bonus has to paid to each employee, calculation of this bonus will be called as a operational employee. So policy or tactical decision is whether the bonus has to be given or not to the employees is a policy decision. So after deciding the policy decision, that is the bonus has to be paid to employee, so how much needs to be paid to each employee, how to calculate the bonus, that will be called as a operational decision. Another classification of the decision is organizational and personal decisions. The decisions may be taken at the organizational level and also at the personal level. When an individual takes the decision as an executive of an organization in the official capacity, it is known as organizational decision. A individual person is there, he is as a executive of that organization or of that office. If he takes the decision, that will be called as a organizational decision. Whereas the same person, if he takes a decision at a personal capacity, that will be known as a personal decisions. So these decisions may affect functioning of the organization also. The personal decisions will be affecting the functioning of the organization. For example, if an executive leaves the organization, it may affect the organization. So leaving the organization is a personal decision, but it also will be affecting the organization. In that case, the authority of taking the organizational decisions may be delegated to others. Next classification, major and minor decisions. The another classification is major and minor decisions. So decisions pertaining to purchase of a new factory premises is a major decision. So when an organization makes a decision to purchasing of a new factory premises, so that will be called as a major decision. So major decisions are taken by the top management. So whereas purchasing of office stationery will be taken by the lower level managers, so that will be called as a minor decisions. Another classification, individual and group decision. When the decisions are taken by a single individual, those are all known as a individual decisions. Usually routine type decisions are taken by the individuals within the broad policy framework of the organization. When the decision is taken by a single individual, that will be known as a individual decision. Group decisions are taken by a group of individuals constituted in the form of committees. So if 2 or 3 people forming a committee, if the decision is taken, that will be called as a group decision. Group decisions or committee decisions will be taken relating to the important matters of the organization. So after referring by these committees, the decisions will be taken. So these are the different types of decision making. Thank you very much.